This is a 1.4 liter Hyundai I20, and what we're doing right now, we're gonna torque our head bolts. So first thing to do is to drop all the bolts into the area or where they belong. Then we're gonna start with our M10 socket. Just turn them nicely until they sit. So that bolt sit. We're gonna do the same to all of them. Sometimes to make it faster, you can get your long extension for the areas that is gonna fit. Get a long extension. This might make them to sit a little faster. Just do like this, and they go very fast. That's done. Same thing here. That's done. Once all your bolts are in, your first tightening is gonna be with a ratchet. So you're gonna use a ratchet to do your first tightening. Remember, your tighten is gonna start with the center, then we go to the rest of the areas. So you just tighten with a ratchet like this. Stop like that. Don't force it with the ratchet, just like that. It's just a start. You can either go to the corner, this corner. So to center first, doesn't matter. You can start from the front or the back. Then you can come to the other corner. You can go with that sequence. Then you can come on this side here. Remember, you're only doing it with the ratchet. Yeah? Then you can come to the other corner that side. Then you can do this one and this one. Then you can also do that one. Since you already set it in all corners, these ones, they just follows that one. So normally when I torque center, then I come to either this one or that one, then this one to that one, then we're going to do that one to this one, then we're going to do this one to that one, then it's done. Okay, so now we're going to start talking. So remember, it's a Hyundai I20 1.4 liter. So if you have a 1.4 liter engine which is using the 9mm bolts with your M10 socket, first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna set your torque range to 30 Newton meter. So we're gonna start with 30. So we have 30. Let's see. Depending on your range that's out, so we're gonna start from this is let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's 20, it's 30. So we start with the 30. Talk with the 30 first. John Boza. The right fit. Okay. The 30 clicks. 30. Center done. The outside. Now we're gonna go to from 30. We're gonna go to 60. 30. We go all the way. You set up your torque range all the way to 60. So that's our 60 right there. So that's 60. Make sure this one 0 must be on the center for that. So we did 30. We're gonna do the 60. There's 60. That's a 60. That's a 60. That's a 60. If the boat keeps on moving like this, don't fight with them, leave them, because sometimes might be something in there. Sometimes when there's oil in a cylinder, it becomes to this point, so it's easy for the boat to snap. So once you're done with your 60 torquing, then we're gonna do a 90 degree to strengthen the boats. So from here, our 90 is supposed to end here, but we're gonna end somewhere here just to be safe. So we're gonna do the 60. You're gonna still keep your settings on 60, but you're gonna do the 90 degree. So you turn, that's the 90. You do the same thing here. You turn just to strengthen the bed. That's a 90. So you're gonna run from here to there. That is your 90. That is done. Now we're gonna torque this one to 90. Okay. Oh. And that's the 90. And that's a 90. That's how we torque your head on 1.4 liter engine. So your first torque must be 30. Then from 30 Newton meter you go to 60 Newton meter. After 60 Newton meter you're gonna rotate them to 90 degrees.